guys, welcome back to my channel. So everything in this video is what I'm going to be using today. It's a very simple, easy nail look, y'all. I'm doing some cherry blossom nails. I swear you only need one polygel and a couple of things, but you just need one polygel. Like, I'm trying to do something simple for you guys. It's like quick, easy, don't really need that much work for, like, you ain't have to do all the extra nail stuff. But before we begin into this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you guys can know every time I post a video. And I just do want to welcome all my new subscribers, y'all. Hey, you guys know you guys my homies. Please leave a comment down below because you guys know I love talking to y'all. Y'all crack me up. Y'all funny. If you guys have anything that you guys want me to try or to do on this little nail channel, I'm more than welcome to do. But other than that, let's get started. All right, you guys. So I am going to do a different type of nail tip. I'm going to go in with the McCart nail tips, which you guys see in the beginning of my videos. These are the C-curve nail tips. As you can see, they're very C-curve. And y'all know I'm really not a fan of C-curve, but I just want to try just to perfect my skill at the doing C-curve nail tips. So I'm going to go in with the coffin ones, and I'm going to go in with this Rosalind Opal Polygel because again we doing a cherry blossom nail today, and I haven't used this in a while. So I already did my nails off camera. I did go in with the Model 1 base gel. Base gel, and cured that for 60 seconds. And my McCart. Y'all, look, let me tell y'all something. I went out for brunch. My best friend took me and we drunk a little bit, you know. So if I'm sorry at the words, don't mind me. I'm sorry in advance. But anyways, we're just gonna start with this. I'm gonna play some music so you guys can watch me. Okay, you guys, so these are how the nails are looking so far. I know they look a little crazy. Now, I would say with this polygel, it does leave this like little screech on there, but I did wipe it off with alcohol, so it'll come right off. But I would say this is kind of a runny polygel, so you do kind of have to move a little quick. But this is the only type of milky white polygel that I ever ran across. If you guys know any other type of milky white polygel, let me know in the comments down below because I don't know. So I'm going to take my 80 by 80 nail file and I'm going to start filing these nails. Okay, you guys, so these are what these are looking like after being buffed, filed, drilled, and everything of that nature. Now it's time for some nail design. Well, I hit that note, didn't I, y'all? Don't be hating. Don't be hating. So I'm gonna go in. I already kind of mixed some color because I did not have a dark green, because I did do a test trial on how I want to do that. But I did use the gel polish that I got from Toomey, and I mixed it with some black gel polish that I got from Toomey, and got this little dark green for the leaves. So just heads up about that. The chocolate color that I use is for Model 1s and number 0680. I'm going to use for that color. And then I did use just a pink. Oops, did I touch something? No, I didn't. I did just use a pink polish. It's from a card, but oh, here it is. It was just right there in front of my face. But they do got a polish and similar to this color, but it's just a nail liner that I just dipped in there. But let me go ahead and take a little bit more out because I will need a lot more of this. But I'm using Macard gel polish in the color blank. I think it's blank. I honestly really feel like it's blank, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'm gonna do some Frenchies on here because I want some. I can't think, y'all. Some cute little Oh no, let's not use this one. This one bad. This a bad brush. Let me try to use this one. Are you good? But yeah, I do want some cute ones. So, anyways, I'll play some music so you guys can watch me work.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. baby, don't check for me. Taking time out.
Hey you guys, so right here, this is just how they look so far after adding the leaves on here. So I'm gonna go in with these little flower decals, and I'm gonna use my McCart rhinestone glue, and I'm just gonna just randomly place them where I believe the flower should be placed. You can do this however you want. There's no specific way. You can just place them how you place them. So I'm gonna play some music so you guys can see what I'm doing.